How to add a video background banner with autoplay on your Shopify homepage, the updated way. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a auto-playing video background banner and how you can ensure that it works well on your Shopify store, whether it's on desktop or on mobile devices. And there's a quick fix that I also have for some people that have issues with their header colliding with their video background. So let's jump right in. To get started, you are going to click on Online Store on the left, and I'll show you guys what my store currently looks like. So this is my store right now, and if I choose to customize my store, you guys will see that I can only add image banners. So by default, if I click on Add Section, you guys can see I only have the option to add a video, but that video option is not a background. It only allows me to add a full-fledged YouTube video or a full-fledged link. So to create a video background, we are going to exit into our Shopify dashboard. In your dashboard, you're going to click on Online Store and then click on these three dots over here. Once you click on these three dots on your active Shopify theme, click on Edit Code. Once you click on Edit Code, you will see there are quite a few different folders. So on the left, just close out all the folders and just open up the Sections folder. Once you open up the Sections folder, click on Add a New Section. Then you're going to select the liquid, and then you're going to add a name for the file. So I'm going to name this video dash background like this. So I will name this video dash background dot liquid and then click on done. This will create a new section file within the sections folder on your Shopify code. Now you're going to click on the link provided in the description box down below. This is a link from Pastebin, and it is going to be a link to this code over here. So this code over here is going to be copied. So you're just going to copy this entire code, and this is a really long code. So one thing to note is that you need to copy the entirety of it. So if you scroll down to the end, you're just going to copy this like so. So it is around 859 lines. So make sure to do that. Make sure to copy it completely. And this is a big thing that I see people, a big mistake I see people making. They forget to copy like the first bracket, or they accidentally miss out, like the last line or the last bracket. Make sure to copy that completely. Then go back into the newly created section file and cut out any of the previous sample code. Then you're going to paste in the code that you just copied. So you're just going to paste that in and then click on save. Once you click on save over here, you're going to click on exit. Now that you have clicked on exit, you're going to click on customize on your Shopify store. And once you click on customize, you can click on add section, and you will see on the bottom, you have the option to add a video background. Simply select your video background, and I'm just going to move this to the top. Once you do that, you can select your video slide and you can paste in your video link. Now, one thing I always recommend is to download whatever video you want to use as a background. I want to use this particular cosmetic photo or video shoot as my background. So I have used Y2Mate to just convert this as an MP4, and then I'm going to upload that onto Shopify. So I'm just going to click on save over here and leave this empty video section. Then you're going to go back into your Shopify dashboard and then click on content on the left, then click on files. Once you click on files, you are going to click on upload files over here, and you can upload the video file. This is the video of those, this is the video of those lipsticks. So I'm just going to upload that over here, and we're just going to upload this into our content file within Shopify. Now, the reason for that is because if you copy the link directly from the original website, or you copy the link from any website or YouTube, sometimes creators might limit the video, sometimes they might remove the video, the channel might get blocked, and it's just easier to upload your own, upload it to your own Shopify store so you can ensure that the video is not going to be removed. Once you have uploaded your video and files, copy the link from clicking on this chain icon. Now you can go back into Online Store, and once you go into your online store, click on Customize. Once you go into Customize, you're going to select your video slide from the left and then paste in your video link. Now, once you have pasted in your video link, your video slide should now appear. So you guys can see my video is playing on auto. Now you will see my text over here and a description text. We have our text color. We can also add a button label and a button link as well. However, your banner text can look a bit off if you convert this to the mobile version. So you guys can see on the mobile version, the text disappears. On the full screen version, on the desktop version, it looks fine, but on the mobile version, there is no text. So firstly, I'm going to change the, video text to say something a bit more interesting. Enjoy luxury, like this. And then, you can add whatever text you want, but I'm going to click on save on the right. And now we're going to fix the mobile version. So on the mobile version, it's not displaying my text. To display my text on the mobile version, we're going to exit on the left. And once we exit on the left, we are going to click on these three dots and then click on edit code. Once you click on edit code, you are going to close out the folders on the left and just search for base.css. Once you've searched for base.css, you're just going to open this up, and this is going to be present within the assets folder. You're just going to scroll to the bottom, and you're going to copy and paste this particular code. And I will also leave a link to this code as well. And you're just going to paste that at the bottom. Once you do that, you're going to click on save. And now we're going to exit and open up our Shopify store to see what it looks like on the mobile version and to see whether or not it has fixed our text within the mobile version. So this is what our store now looks like. So even on the mobile version, this is the desktop version, and this is the mobile version, it's still displaying all of our text. Now there is still one issue to resolve. So with the banner heading, it's not going to still show up. So you guys can see it's showing the description text, but it removed my text where I wrote enjoy luxury as the heading. And sometimes it might even remove the banner button. So to fix this, you are going to go back and open up your base CSS, and you're going to just open up your Shopify store code editor again, and you're going to open up your section that you created of your background video liquid. So we're going to search for background or video dash background dot liquid. This is the one that I created, and you're just going to open that section up. Once you've opened up that section, you are going to scroll down to around line 439. And what we're going to do at around line 439, we have this. Now you guys will see this code over here where it says video box info title, video background, dot video box info display none. So you are going to delete that till the part where it says display none. So you're not going to delete anything else. You are just going to delete it from there. You're going to delete this first bracket and leave everything else as it is. So once you've done that, you can click on save. And now that I have saved these changes on my Shopify store, my mobile users should also be able to see the header that I've placed. I can click on customize here to show you guys our newly done changes. This is my video background, it's auto playing, and now this is the mobile version. And now on the mobile version, it's still displaying our text, our header text. You can alter the size of your header text so it better suits the overall appearance on the mobile version as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.